Pinterest marketing. There are two types of blogs you guys need to be involved in. Give me the next 10 minutes and I'm going to explain to you why. Two types of blogs you need to be involved in. Before we get into the training, guys, I would like you to click that subscribe button and then hit that notification bell so you will be notified the next time I do another video. Also, guys, I will have a link below this video of some powerful tools that you can use to market your business online. Guys, I'll see you in the training. Okay, guys, tonight I want to talk about the two types of blogs you need to be involved in. The reason why I want to say that, guys, you know I am heavy into Pinterest marketing. In this particular video, this video will be created for my Facebook group as well as my YouTube channel. So it will be teaching on both sides. So tonight I want to talk about the two types of blogs you should be involved in. Now, the group that I'm involved in with is Traffic Domination. And that type of teaching is probably on the way, but it's not quite there in that particular training. A lot of that training is through paid ads and things of that nature. But if you want to do the traditional way to like natural search, you can do it through Pinterest, but it's much faster through that platform. But the reason why I wanted to create this video is because I've been doing Pinterest for quite some time, and I've seen people trying to do a blog on monetization and get leads and stuff all at the same time, and you should separate it. So what I plan on doing tonight is, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just draw up on the board the way you should do this. So guys, I'm using the old paint that has been with Windows for a long time. So the first thing we want to do is we're going to write the word blogs, and I'm just going to kind of do this the best way I can. And what you want to do is you want to have two different types, guys, two different types. Okay. And I'm just putting these boxes out here. Right now on this particular blog, this blog here, you want to make this blog specifically for being able to get leads. This is specifically to be able to get leads and to provide your audience some value. The articles that you need to post here, you need to educate your people when you send them to your blog. This is what you need to do for here. Educate your people. Okay. So this is what you want to do, guys. I didn't have enough room to spell all that out. But anyway, you want to educate your people. This is what this blog is for. Now, I've seen people try to have leads coming from this blog, lead capture pages and lead banners and things of that nature, and ads at the same time. Guys, let me tell you something. With today's society, they're going to click on the ad before you get that lead. You get what I'm saying? You want to make that particular blog specifically for capturing leads. Get lead capture, guys. That's what you want to do. I'm horrible with this paint, but that's what you want to do. Leads. You want to specify this particular blog for leads, and this is the leads you can get to your Traffic Domination opportunity. Your affiliate links to your when you get a lead and you refer them to your Traffic domination leads and some of the affiliate products that are inside traffic domination. And for you guys that are on the YouTube channel, if you're not familiar with traffic domination, I will have a link below in the description where the group that is getting to see the same video, they are familiar with traffic domination because that's how they got into the group. So another thing is on this side, this is the size you monetize right here. This is the size you put AdSense on, you know, because reason why we starts out with AdSense first, because it's easy to get them monetized with it. And they have other networks, but the other networks require a lot of traffic. And until you get up to that, you won't be able to get to those networks. And I'll show you how to get qualified with AdSense on your blogs, guys. It's a certain things that you got to label your blogs to get qualified. And I do have a video on this channel that tells you exactly what you need to do. You know, at one time I was paying a guy from Fiverr to help my site get monetized. Well, he no longer did it. So I researched YouTube, and I finally found a video that actually showed me how to get a blog monetized for AdSense. And guys, I have the video somewhere on my channel, and I'll make sure I'll have a link below. But this is what you want to do. You're going to say, well, why you want to have one blog to get your leads and provide your people value, and one blog for content and AdSense? Guys, let me tell you something. That AdSense revenue right here, what that does, it provides dollars, guys. It provides dollars to help you with this. And let me tell you what I'm trying to explain to you for. When you're here and you start making some change with AdSense, and I'm telling you guys, the way I teach it with Pinterest, it won't take you long. It will not take you long to start receiving money with this. That's if you're committed. You have to be committed. Regardless of what I teach you or what I've shown you in this channel, you have to be committed. So when you start receiving a little revenue here, and it takes you time to get people to buy your affiliate product here, the psychological advantage is, hey, okay, I am making some money to recoup my time. That's what I do with my AdSense revenue. I use my AdSense revenue to help me with buying leads and things of that nature in case I want to do a few solo. But what I'm going to teach you here is, guys, I'm going to teach you techniques where both of these blogs are being promoted through Pinterest. Once you go on what I got in this particular thing, I have a 90-day challenge that I'm going to have within this the start of this video. And we're going to see what the results are 90 days later. I'm going to show you where you can receive leads consistently through Pinterest traffic if you put the lead capture pages or the pop-ups or the lead banners on your page properly and do some testing. So this is what we're going to do, guys. We're going to make money here on our AdSense site, and then we're going to use the funds from here to help support our lead capture system on this particular site. So guys, that's what you want to do, because I've seen a lot of people start out in a business, and what they do is they invest so much here, a lot of money here and a lot of money here, guys, and they never actually get their return. Whereas while you can do 2 blogs, guys. 2 blogs is not hard. All it would take would be per blog about 3 posts a week, and you can be up and running in no time, guys. So that's what the method that I'm teaching. That's what I want you guys to grasp. Now, what I would like to do here, since I've kind of showed you guys what I had in this tutorial, let's just go to my analytics. And this is what I'm going to do, guys. I took this particular blog right here is, let me make sure we're straight. This blog here is to get leads and to provide value. Okay. I not too long created this blog, and I got a little traffic coming to it, guys. You see here, I got a little traffic coming to it. But what I'm going to do is I took this traffic back to the 1st of December, but I really actually start really pushing it again on December the 28th, okay? So we're going to go 90 days out from December the 28th to March the 28th, 1st of April. Let's just say that 1st of April for 90 days, okay? And what I want to do is I want you guys to see in this video training, look at the traffic that I'm getting right here. It's not that many views, what, 22 views yesterday. Here, that's on the williedjarnett.com site. And then I got a kind of a credit card / money site that I kind of been consistently messing with a little bit, but I decided I want to kind of take it serious and be real consistent. And I want to show you guys what Pinterest traffic can do to this if I am literally consistent. One thing I want you guys to know, I do work a full-time job, sometime 10 and 11 and 12 hours a day, and to come in and do this. But my challenge this 90 days is I will commit to doing this to prove to you that this Pinterest traffic alone, guys, Pinterest traffic alone will increase this analytics, and it will increase my AdSense earning, guys, and you will see that it actually works. That's what I'm creating this video for, to show you that this can actually happen, guys. So this is the way I'm gonna do it. This is the AdSense side, and this is the side that I'm going to come in and do actual banners and stuff to it. And guys, I'll give you a sneak preview. I don't mind. I'm not trying to hold anything back. This is my williedjarnett.com site, and I still have some more work to do, guys. I'm a work in progress, guys, and I, I'm still working, because blogging has been kind of new to me, and I'm trying to get good with it. Okay, let me just show you this. And I just created this post earlier today, and I just want to show you, this is something I created. This Traffic Domination Pro, I kind of created this. I created a little lead capture page that'll take you to this, and this will kind of get you involved with traffic domination. I created that. And let's just go down here. This is Web Talk, and if you opt into any of my pages, I've always advised you to go to Web Talk. Web Talk is another social media platform that's supposed to mirror Facebook. I'm a global MPN guy, lead skimmer. These are ways of being able to get leads to your system, guys. And then this is a lead capture page, and this is another lead system where those guys can pop up and come into your lead system, and then you can attract them to traffic domination. See, this is just strictly for leads, guys. Let's go back to this other blog post here. Let's look at it's another one, buyer leads. Okay, I got right here. I hadn't even started promoting this, and this is a link to my podcast, guys. And when you go so far, here it is. There is nothing there to kind of distract you. Everything here is pretty much a lead magnet, a lead capture system that is on the page, guys. Even in my resources right here, if you come here in my resources, guys, all of these are lead magnets, guys. These are lead magnets. If you want to know how to get your system set up like this, guys, just let me know. Give me a comment. I'll show you what system I use to get this. And this is a lead magnet. You offer them to opt into your system, and you offer them lead. Then I even got a bot, guys, an actual bot that walks you through, and it's a lead capture system, guys. So this particular blog is all about capturing leads, and it is about providing value, guys. Yeah, you want to provide value to your people, guys. All of this provide value, and I'll show you a very ineffective way to get articles to your site where it won't cost you a ton of money, guys. I'm telling you, if you went out and got a good 750 to 1,000 word article that's unique, guys, a cheap way is $25. Well, when you're talking about a pillow post, I'm talking about a pillow post of a 3 to 4,000 word article, guys. You're talking about over $150, guys. That is a lot of money to get to fill up your blog. So, guys, I'll show you a method where you can get this and you can create your own content and take it to Grammarly, and you can clean up and make that content well. Okay, I got one more I want to show it to you guys, and we're gonna make this thing quick, guys. We're gonna finish up. Now, this is the site that I use. This is some that I use within my plugin, just to make sure nobody's trying to hack me. Clean spamming. Okay, now this is the site that I use for AdSense, guys. This is and this is kind of a credit card, credit score, little financial site that I use, and I'll show it to you. I don't have no problem showing with you. This is just one of my sites that I use. See, most of this is focused on AdSense. That's an AdSense banner. That's an AdSense banner. There's an AdSense banner, guys. So this is mostly to monetize for AdSense, guys. So that's those up across the top here, they're AdSense banner. So, guys, these are the two methods that I will be teaching in this group, because I want you to grow in what I'm teaching. And guys, as far as the blog site, this is where you can come in and you can come back here. Let's go back. This is the traffic domination site. Let's just log back in real quick. And this is where you can come in and you're a part of the traffic domination site. And if you guys are not, I'll have a link below here, because this will be on YouTube. These are the products that you're selling right here. These are the products you're selling to your people, guys. But one thing I would like to tell you, people are not going to buy from you unless they know you. And then they have training replays that once you start accumulating a list, you send these people to your training replays. There's where you can make commission in there. Guys, this is just my two methods of being able to blog. Like I said, this one blog right here, guys, there's for leads and getting affiliate products right here. And this one here is for monetizing with AdSense, guys. Guys, I hope this training was great to you. If you like this video, guys, give me a thumbs up, give me a like, and subscribe to my channel. Guys, take care, and I'll see you guys the next time around. Be blessed, my friends.